What is Internet Information Services, otherwise known as IIS, and how does it work? First up, IIS stands for Internet Information Service. IIS act as web server to get HTTP requests from clients and send HTTP response with data contents to the client browser. IIS is a Windows component that makes it easy to publish information and bring business applications to the web. Actually, IIS includes HTTP server and FTP server with additional components for Microsoft Windows operating system. It is the world's second most popular web server in overall websites, that being right behind Apache server. With the help of IIS, you can build administrating websites, search engine and support for writing web-based applications that access the database. Many web developers can use Microsoft's Active Server page, otherwise known as ASP, use this technology for making dynamic scripting, and also use some ActiveX controls to insert in web pages that modify the content sent back to users. It also allows us to use the following interfaces to filter the requests. ISAPI, which is Microsoft's Internet Server Application Program Interface. CGI, Common Gateway Interface. And SSI, Server Side Includes. Now let's see how the IIS will do its process. When a client browser sends a request to the ASP page, it triggers various events in the following manner. If the client wants to see the ASP page, then request posted to the web server by means of the HTTP request. Because the page has the .asp extension, the IIS 5.0 considers it as a script file and sends the file to the ISAPI extension for processing. Then, the ASP ISAPI processes server-side directives before executing scripts. Then, the server creates the resulting HTML page and sends it back to the client. Once the client receives the ASP page, it loads any client-side objects and executes the client-side script code and displays the web page based on the HTML specification. Now I hope you have a clear idea about IIS. In the next lesson, I'm going to discuss workflow of ASP.NET.